It just feels right. The people are genuine.
I loved it from the first time I heard about it.
It was a no-brainer to come out.
The best thing about this, honestly, has been the community.
Sitting here among all the free information that we got today has been so invaluable, and I just cannot wait to just invest and be a part of everything that they have going here.
A lot of great information. I had previously seen it online, but seeing something online and being there in person are two totally different things. So I was grateful to have come here today to see this.
Everybody had a wealth of knowledge that we needed in order to understand the real estate market and understand what you're doing as far as a new developer. The implementation of what they bring, man, I think that's key. That's key into what we need, and that's key to grow in this market.
The professionalism, the area of expertise that expands beyond the classroom, as well as the network that is here with the base community.
Once I heard the blueprint and they're saying, hey, I'm gonna give you this so that you can do your own, like that really stood out.
They're not gatekeeping. They're telling you the real deal. We're talking about numbers. We're talking about real schematics of everything. We have all the resources that we need here.
The most impactful thing I've gained from joining BASE is honestly just the community and the people that we're surrounded about. You know, coming here last year at 19 years old, the best thing about this honestly has been the community. The way that we're able to learn from each other, get a handhold into development, and just the way everyone's able to work together.
It's about, teaching the next generation so that they can have the knowledge and the education to start building on their own. Not necessarily, not only just to be a part of something, but to actually start building something of your own.
What you waiting on, man?
Please get off the fence.
Steady long, steady wrong, baby. You got to get off that pot sooner or later. BASE is combining a lot of education and the right people around you to network in order for you to be successful. And that ultimately would help me get off the fence.
Come out and listen, get the information.
It's free. If anything, what you're gaining from them, you should be paying $10,000 for. This is game and stuff that people would be paying $7,000, $10,000 course for, and you get to get this stuff for free. So it's definitely worth it.
You gotta make a decision. It's on you. The rest is on you.
Why not?